Home Remedies presents
How to use cayenne pepper for faster hair growth. Cayenne pepper has been used since centuries to promote hair growth. A mixture of cayenne pepper and olive oil is the best cost-effective way to improve the glossiness and fullness of hair as well as promote hair growth. Cayenne pepper improves peripheral blood circulation and nourishes the scalp. It is very easy to prepare with minimal ingredients. I will share with you the infused method in this video as it retains all the goodness of the ingredients. Ground cayenne pepper 1 tablespoon, olive oil 2 cups, dark bottle. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Preparation. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground pepper into 2 cups of olive oil and let it stand for 1 to 2 weeks in a dark bottle in a cool place. After infusing, rub a liberal amount into your hair and scalp and keep it on overnight. Shampoo as usual in the morning. How it works. After you apply the mixture, you will feel a tingling sensation on your head. That's a sign that blood flow is increasing, which is key for hair growth. It is important to be careful with the spice, though since cayenne pepper can be very painful on the face and eyes. Try this treatment once a week for 3 months and see if you have any progress with your hair length, texture and shine.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.